Hi David and Lisa, this is Martin here. As promised, I'm recording a quick video for you to show you how to update your site in a more professional way than the first time I showed you. The old way, we were logging in here with the username and password that I provided to you. And what happens is, oops, my session is expired because I was just in there. And there you go. And how it would work is you would click the icon, you would edit it this way. But what we noticed is that your browser is not as compatible with this type of updating, and it's the famous problem with Internet Explorer, and especially the older versions. But anyways, I'm going to show you a different way of updating your site. And really it's very simple. If you go to marystudies.com/administrator, you'll get to this page. And this is the back door of your website. And it will give you a more advanced control panel where you can control every aspect of your site. And when you log in, you will see this. And this is where everything happens. Now, there's a lot that might look overwhelming to you, and you don't need to remember a lot because there's only a few elements that matter to you, and which is your article manager. And when you click that, you will see a list of articles, and as you can see, the titles of those articles relate to different pages of your website. So for example, if I go to blended families, here we go, live in the blender, then you can see that over here there is live in the blender. And when I click it, you will exactly see what is on that page as far as main body content goes. See this area here, and you'll go here, and you see that same content here. So if I go here and I say, oops, if I go here to the top and say this is a test, for example, and I bold it and I make it bright red, and I save, oh, well anyhow I didn't bold it, but doesn't matter, and I apply. When I go back to your website and refresh the page, you will see this is a test on top there. So that is how you edit that page. Now obviously we don't want that there, so we just remove it, apply again. The reason between apply and save, apply keeps the article open, and when I click save it closes the article and goes back to your overview. And that's the only difference there is. When I go back and refresh, you see that the change will propagate on your site. And the same with your product pages. Let's see, moving forward after divorce, was that the one that we looked at today? I think it was, maybe not, but anyhow you can change all of these pages. Moving forward after divorce, here it is, and you can just change whatever you want. And if your browser still gives you problems, I would recommend downloading Firefox. Firefox has never really given me a problem with this kind of editing, and it will allow you to do anything you need in order to publish the right content to your site. So just remember, log in, marystudies.com/administrator, and then go to your articles. And here they are. And that's really all there is for the article end of your site. Any other content on your site? Let's see. Yeah, if there's any content that's not an article, for example, your contact page is not an article, it's actually somewhere else, you will find that here. Here's your contact. You can change any of that information over here. But anyways, I think this should explain your main questions here, answer your main questions here. If there's anything else, please let me know, and I hope this helps you. Have a great day.